What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing an update on NIO stock. First of all, brief summary about this company. NIO is a holding company which engages in the design, manufacture and sale of electric vehicles, driving innovation in next-generation technologies in connectivity, autonomous driving and artificial intelligence. The company provides users with home charging and Power Express wallet service and other power solutions including access to public charging, access to power mobile charging trucks and battery swapping. And let me show you their financials. For now, their total market cap is $59.06 billion. They have a revenue of $2.49 billion with a net income of negative $859.52 million. And as you can see, they have losses, but the revenue growth is 107.77%. This means that they reinvest all their profits in the company, and this means they are growing rapidly. And it is very stable company because they have total cash of $6.49 billion with a total debt of $1.44 billion. And their current ratio is 3.31. And I think from the fundamental standpoint, it is very stable company. As you might see, they have strong financials, and it is a very good company to add into your investment portfolio. And let me show you the latest news. We are on Investor Place, and this article was published on March 30th. And the title is NIO stock, 4 big reasons hard hit NIO is rebounding today. And let me quote these reasons. They propose battery as a service, and it is very clever business model because they have recurring revenue not only for the maintenance of their cars but also for the swapping of the batteries, and this increase their income for sure, and in the long run it will benefit the company. Yesterday, it means on March 29th, it was announced that NIO entered into a strategic partnership agreement with the Chinese arm of German retail behemoth Metro. Number 3 is bullish sentiment buying all EV stocks. A series of interesting tweets and social media speculation today surrounding the potential for massive EV spending in the United States has created broadly bullish sentiment once again for EV stocks today. One tweet in particular from Walter Bloomberg sits at $250 billion US investment number by auto manufacturers. These tweets, combined with recent speculation that President Joe Biden could announce further investment in electrification, have propelled bullish sentiment forward today for EV stocks. And let me dive deep into this news. As you can see, we are on Seeking Alpha, and this news was published on March 31st. And it says electric vehicle stocks rally after Biden proposes massive investment in EV market. And here's several bullets. First bullet is electric vehicle sector is rallying ahead of a speech today by President Biden. Next one, Biden's American jobs plan covers electric vehicles in detail. And let me give you just a sneak peek of next two bullets. He is proposing a $174 billion investment to win the EV market. His plan also will replace 50,000 diesel transit vehicles and electrify at least 20% of our yellow school bus fleet through a new Clean Buses for Kids program at the Environmental Protection Agency with support from Department Agency. And on this news, all the EV manufacturers spiked up in price from 0.3% to more than 5%. This news benefits all the industry. Let's continue with number 4 on Investor Place. And it says, it's a social media world we are all living in. There is a movement underway, with some Redditors believing a $120 price target for NIO stock is achievable by the end of this year. That's quite a jump from the company's current share price at less than $40. However, given what we've seen with other meme stocks in late, if NIO can catch fire again, all bets are off as to how high this stock could go. And I will focus on my technical analysis, and I will show you that $120 it is not the top for this stock by the end of the year. And let me show you one more information. It is the institutional investors of this company, and as you can see, green lines indicates that these companies are buying NIO stock, and as you can see we have recent fillings of March 31st, and the total amount of investments in this company is mind-blowing. 64 million, 63 million, 46 million, 7 million, 64 million, 10 millions. It's mind-blowing numbers, and that's why I think NIO is still very juicy company. And before we dive deep into the technical analysis, please subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, in this case you won't miss my next video, and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So here is the price action during last year, and as you can see my Elliott wave breakdown was with the fifth wave at the top of somewhere here. But I have to adjust it a little bit because this wave lands right here, and let me show you more thoroughly. My previous Elliott wave breakdown was that we have this structure, and it was the first wave, second, and we were at the third wave, and here is the fourth one. According to this data, we should have one more leg to the upside, but I was wrong, and for now we have a little bit different approach. We have this structure. Here is the first wave, second, here is the third, fourth, and fifth. Fifth is right here, and that's why I think we have finished our fifth wave and on a greater scale at this point, and this is the retracement of the whole structure because it is only the first wave on a greater scale. And let me remind you that here was my previous entry point, and we touched it twice from this point and this after I made my first video, and I encourage you to enter your position right here, but my video was published on December the 30th, and that's why your fair entry price was around $46. And here is your potential gains, because on January 11th I made another video that I suggest you to put your stop loss at the $56 mark, because if we break this level, it will invalidate all the count, and it happened. It invalidates right here, and you have guaranteed profit of 23%. And I waited until I have enough confirmation that we might change the trend, and here it is the first bottom and the second one, and let me show you the retracement of this whole structure. And I pulled the Fibonacci retracement tool from the bottom of this entire wave to the top of this wave, and as you can see we have good reaction from 0.5 level. This means we have 50% discount from the top to these levels, and this means it is a very good entry point for you as an investor. On top of that, we have two touches of this line. This means it is very strong support. So let me show you indicators. On a daily time frame, we have bullishness on RSI, and we have to have not only higher lows but higher highs, and we have to exceed this level with this week. Let me show you on a weekly time frame. On a weekly time frame, we don't have good bullish signs according to RSI, but on the MACD we can see this curvature, and this means we're starting to lose negative momentum. And let me show you monthly time frame, because we are investors for the long term, and as you can see we had these huge spikes in RSI of more than 90 points. We have almost 90 points, 89.28, and for now we have unloaded this structure and we are on neutral zone. This means we have enough room to grow for this company, and this means it might be a trend reversal for this asset. And let's continue with the daily time frame. So as you can see, here is our bottom of this retracement, and in my opinion we have two possibilities. First of all, we might have a V-shape correction, and from this point we might go up, and in this case I have to project some targets for you as an investors. For this case I pull the Fibonacci extension tool from the bottom of this wave to the top of this wave. Let me clean a little bit the chart. From the bottom of this wave right here to the top of this wave right here, and third point is at the bottom of the retracement. and we have several targets. The most conservative target for now is $83.51. It is 0.786 level. Next target might be at 1-to-1 extension at a little bit lower than $100 mark, and the most aggressive target might be at 1.618 region, and basically with the assumption that this was only the first wave and we are on the retracement in the second wave, 1.618 is very viable target, and with the extension of 2.618 we have even $200 potential targets, but for now it's too early to set up this target. I want to leave these three for now. And let me show you another possibility, that we might have a simple zigzag, and from this top right here we might have this structure A, B somewhere here, and then C might go even lower than this point, either double bottom or it might be truncated C. And we don't know where will it land because we don't have enough data. This means this is the best entry points for you as an investor, because in case that we will have the V-shaped correction, it is the best entry point for you as an investor. So let me show you the exact entry points. Basically, you can add your position right here at the opening hours, and you can lower these buys as an investor right here at the bottom of this previous pivot point, and your potential next entry point might be right here, but for now I don't think and I don't see that we might hit it, and that's why your potential entry point is below $40 mark is an excellent from the technical standpoint. That's why I encourage you to add this company to your investment portfolio. With that being said, please subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, in this case you won't miss my next video, and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So, see you guys and girls next time. Bye!